Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: currency, a blueprint, and build access. Once done, open the build menu and go straight to security. Select camera MK1 and buy it. You place the base mount on a flat surface within 20 meters of your command hub so it links automatically. Make sure to keep at least one spare blueprint and $500 available, because you may need a second unit immediately if the first placement clashes with terrain or line of sight. Once the mount is secured, route power. Run a 12V line or connect to the nearest active power node within 10 meters to avoid flicker. Then you aim the camera, adjust yaw and pitch so its field overlaps adjacent cameras at roughly 90 degrees for no blind spots. Next, set detection range to 25 meters and sensitivity to 0. 5. To reduce false alarms. Make sure to save orientation and link the camera to your alert system so it reports directly to your hub. To finish, upgrade optics to MK2 if footage is grainy. Do it when you have $300 spare. Once upgraded, run a live test. Walk the target path while watching the feed for 10 to 15 seconds and confirm detection and recording. If the camera goes offline, first check power and link distance, then inspect for obstruction like walls or foliage. These are the most common failures. Finally, make small angle tweaks and retest until coverage and alerts are consistently reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.